Good morning. It's Trisha from Girl Friday, and I thought today I'm gonna tell you how to make a video to go viral. Basically, it's very easy. Know your audience, collaborate with influencers, create quality content, engage with your viewer, utilize hashtag effectively, consider current trend, keep it brief, incorporate visual, optimize for shareability, include a call to action, craft compelling headline, post consistently, create emotion. What the video perform better? User-generated content, emotional content. Evoke emotion, hook your viewer, make a good thumbnail, make sharing easy, and that's it. This is how to make a viral video. Let me finish my morning coffee. I'm not fully awake. Did you get it? Bye. Oh, I forgot to say the call to action. Raise the corporate identity of your business. The answer lies within a mug. Have a good day. Visit girlfriday.com for more tips like this. If you don't know how to make your viral video to get more than 1 million views, rewatch this video.